Hi, I'm Imrol from Camel Tech, and in this video, I want to walk you through a real automation I built using ClickUp, n8n, and DocuSign. This setup is designed for teams that use ClickUp as their CRM or as their central operating system for managing candidates' hiring workflows and internal processes.
If you need to send documents to candidates or team members and get them signed, you can handle all of that directly through ClickUp. And the n8n acts as the bridge between ClickUp and DocuSign. Here's how it works. In this ClickUp list, you can see a few tasks I've created. Each task includes fields like the candidate's name, job role, application stage, start date, hourly rate, and other information. So imagine these are candidates you want to hire. You need to send them documents to sign, and once they complete the signing process, the signed documents get automatically uploaded into their task inside ClickUp. Everything stays organized in one place. The logic behind this is simple. When the application stage is changed to offer sent, a ClickUp automation gets triggered. ClickUp's built-in automation calls a webhook, and that webhook sends data into n8n. That webhook is what starts the entire workflow. Inside n8n, we have a switch node that splits the process into multiple branches based on job roles. In my example, I have 4 or 5 different roles. Each role has slightly different details, different position titles, supervisors, hourly wages, etc. That's why each branch is customized. But the structure of the workflow is the same across all branches. If you've worked with DocuSign before, you know you start by creating a template. In that template, you upload your documents and drag and drop all the fields you need. Signatures, initials, dates, names. DocuSign automatically fills those out. But you can also add custom text fields that get populated dynamically. And that's where ClickUp comes in. For example, if your document needs the candidate's house address or location or role, those values come directly from ClickUp and get inserted into the document automatically through n8n. Once the document is fully populated, it gets sent to the candidate. They receive the email, open it, review the document, and sign it. As soon as they sign, DocuSign sends the completed document back, and n8n uploads it into the ClickUp task for that candidate. During the workflow, we also store the envelope ID inside ClickUp to avoid any duplicates. And when the candidate signs, you can see all the details, their name, their address, their signature, and the date they signed, exactly as it appears in their task. After the candidate signs, the document immediately goes to the employer for the second signature. Their name, date, and signature get added as well. Since multiple people are signing, the signing order is controlled inside DocuSign. First, the candidate signs, then the employer signs, and then the finalized document is returned. Once it's returned, it gets attached inside ClickUp automatically, so everything is stored in a single place. The best part is, you never have to leave ClickUp. You don't have to open DocuSign manually or send anything manually. Everything runs completely in the background. All you need to do is move the task to offer sent, and the automation handles the rest. Triggering the webhook, selecting the correct job role branch, filling the documents, creating the envelope, and sending it out. The candidate simply signs with one click. And you can build the exact same kind of workflow for other tools too. Notion, Monday CRM, or any system you want to integrate. The whole document signing process can be automated from end to end. If you found this useful, make sure to subscribe for more automations and AI agent breakdowns like this. And if you would like us to build automation for your business, visit our website and send us a message.
Let's make your systems work for you, not the other way around. And thank you for watching.